Hello. In this video, I will show you how to get ChatGPT API key. Now, it's a very easy process. So, just simply search for OpenAI. And now, just simply open the first link over here. Now, log into your OpenAI account. So, click on Login. Then log in with your account. Now, the moment you will log in, you will have two options, ChatGPT and API. Click on the API option. Now, just simply hover in the side option right over here. And you will have an option of API keys. Click on this option. And now, over here, you can get your new API keys. But first you will need to verify your phone number. So click on start verification and enter your phone number and then just simply complete the verification process. So after the process is complete, again go back in the API key section and click on create new secret key. Then enter a name for your key. Let's say test. Then click on create secret key. And now you will have your key right over here. Make sure to copy it and save it because you won't be able to do this again. So make sure to do a copy and save the key. So that's how you can create API keys in ChatGPT. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.